Hello ma'am, myself Pokharna Jigar from TY BCom Division C, roll number 267, subject M Law. Topic for the video is Kedarnath versus Gauri Mohammad case and Balfour case. Kedarnath versus Gauri Mohammad case. In a Calcutta decision of Kedarnath versus Gauri Mohammad, the defendant promised to pay rupees 1000 toward the construction of the town hall, and the trustees on such promise engaged contractors to build the hall. The defendant subsequently refused to pay and hence the suit. It was held that ordinarily subscription to a charitable object were not recoverable, but if the promisers knew the purpose of the charity and also knew that on the strength of their promise obligations may be undertaken to third parties, the promise is enforceable. The amount could be recovered as the promise resulted in a sufficient detriment to the secretary. The promise could, however, be enforced only to the extent of the liability incurred by the secretary. In this case, the promise, even though it was gratuitous, became enforceable because on the faith of the promised secretary had incurred a detriment. Next case, Balfour versus Balfour case. Mr. and Mrs. Balfour was a married couple. Mr. Balfour was a civil engineer who worked in Ceylon. In 1915, Mr. Balfour and his wife went to England for a vacation. His wife became ill and her doctor advised that she could not return to Ceylon due to her arthritis. They made an agreement that Mrs. Balfour would stay in England while Mrs. Balfour returned to Ceylon. During this time, Mrs. Balfour told Mr. Balfour told Mrs. Balfour that he would pay her £30 a month until he returned. This understanding was made while their relationship was fine. However, the relationship later could not be that fine and they decided to divorce. Mrs. Balfour sued, stating that Mr. Balfour had legal obligation to continue paying her the £30 a month. Although Mrs. Balfour succeeded at the first instance, an additional judge of King's Bench Division held that the husband was under responsibility to support his wife and there exists a strong contract between the husband and the wife. The consent of the wife to this order of monthly transfer was valid to constitute a required contract between the couple, thus found the contract binding, which Mr. Belford appealed. At the end, the decision is taken that the judges who had made the decision that the court cannot come into the marital affairs and it is up to their full knowledge for solving their own problem. So in the Balfour and versus Balfour gave a new perspective to the contract validation.